Tired of losing customers because they can't find your contact info? Add a contact page in Hostinger in under 5 minutes. I know that feeling when someone wants to reach out, but there's just nowhere to go. It hurts your trust with visitors, and worse, you miss out on real leads. But we are going to fix that right now. I'll show you exactly where to click in the Hostinger Builder to add and customize your contact page. Alright, let's jump in. Start from your dashboard inside the Hostinger website builder. The first thing we need to do is navigate to the page that already exists, typically the About page. Just click on it to open it up. This is where we'll start building from. Now open the page menu. Look over on the left-hand side of your screen, and you'll see a little icon that looks like 2 layers or pages stacked on top of each other. Give that a click. This opens up your site's page structure so we can see everything we're working with. Next, create a new page. At the bottom of that menu that just popped up, you'll see an option that says Add Page. Click on that. This is where we tell Hostinger we want to add something brand new to the site. Now, choose the pre-built contact layout. A list of page templates will appear, and you want to scroll down until you see the one labeled Contact. Go ahead and click on it. This gives us a huge head start because the form, the map placeholder, and the basic layout are all already set up for us. Now edit the contact form area. Once the new page loads, you'll see the main contact section. Click anywhere inside the box that says Contact Us. This highlights the entire section, letting us know we're ready to make changes. Alright, let's customize the first element. You'll see some highlighted areas or fields inside that contact block. Click on the first one. This might be the heading or the address text. Just click it and you can type in your own information right there. Maybe change it to your business address or a welcome message. Move to the next editable area. Now click on the second highlight. Again, this is just ready for you to update. You could put in your phone number or your email address here. Remember, this is the stuff your customers actually need to see, so make sure it's correct. Don't forget to save your work. As you're making all these changes, you'll see a Save button somewhere on the top or bottom of the builder. Click that. Trust me, you don't want to lose all the progress you just made. It only takes one click to lock it all in. Continue customizing the remaining elements. Now click on the third highlight. This could be the button text or a secondary line of information. Go ahead and change it to whatever makes sense for you. Something like Send Message or Get in Touch works great. And finally, the last adjustments. Click on that fourth highlight. This is your chance to polish everything up. Double check that your contact details are right and the form looks inviting. Small tweaks here make a huge difference in how professional your page feels. And that is it. Seriously. You went from having no way for customers to reach you to having a fully functional contact page that invites inquiries. Now people can actually get in touch, ask questions, and start trusting your business. Go ahead and give it a test yourself. You have earned it.